everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix keeps dropping calls on Note 60 Pro. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, insert SIM. Remove SIM tray and clean. After cleaning, insert SIM tray. You will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is reset device. Restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. Your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.